Welcome to today's guide on mindfulness, a practice that brings peace, focus, and clarity into your life. In just 5 minutes a day, you can begin to experience the benefits of mindfulness. Whether you're at home, at work, or anywhere in between, these simple exercises can help you feel grounded and centered. Let's begin with the most basic form of mindfulness: breathing. Start by sitting comfortably, with your back straight and your hands resting gently on your lap. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in, and slowly exhale. Let your body relax as you focus on the natural rhythm of your breath. Pay attention to how the air enters your lungs and fills your body, then releases, taking any tension with it. If your mind wanders, gently bring your focus back to your breath. There's no rush, just be in the present moment. Next, let's practice mindful walking. Whether you're at a park or just moving around your home, slow down your steps. Feel the ground beneath your feet. Notice how your body moves with each step. Listen to the sounds around you, the rustling of leaves, the distant chatter of people. Let your senses guide you back to the present moment. Mindfulness can even be practiced while eating. This is called mindful eating. Instead of rushing through a meal, take a moment to really enjoy each bite. Notice the colors, textures, and flavors of your food. Pay attention to how it feels when you chew and swallow. By focusing on the act of eating, you bring your mind back to the present and develop a deeper appreciation for your meal. Another powerful mindfulness practice is gratitude journaling. At the end of your day, take a few moments to write down 3 things you're grateful for. They don't have to be big. Maybe it's the warmth of your morning coffee or a kind word from a friend. Writing them down can help shift your focus toward positivity and remind you of the small joys in life. Remember, mindfulness is not about clearing your mind completely. It's about being aware of the present moment without judgment. By practicing these simple habits daily, you'll begin to notice a calmer, more peaceful state of mind. Thank you for joining us today. We hope these short mindfulness practices help you find calm amidst the busyness of life. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe for more tips on living a mindful and healthy life. Take care and be present.